Hi, friends. Today we're going to guess mystery sound. Are you ready? Let's do this. Listen. What makes that sound? You're right, a dog. A dog makes a woof sound. Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof. Great job. One more sound, okay? Listen closely. What sound is that? It's a train. Wow! A train makes choo-choo. Can you pretend to be a train? Ready? Choo-choo. Great job, friend.